Imagine a giant marketplace, but instead of vegetables or clothes, they trade pieces of companies. This is the stock market, a bustling hub of buying and selling shares. These shares represent ownership in a company. When people invest, they are betting on a company's success. The stock market is the engine of capitalism, driving growth and innovation. In India, the stock market has a rich and fascinating history. It's a story of ambition, risk, and the relentless pursuit of prosperity. From its humble beginnings under the shade of a banyan tree, the Indian stock market has evolved into a global force. This is the story of its journey. The story begins in the 19th century. India was under British rule. The East India Company dominated trade, but a new era was dawning. The Industrial Revolution was sweeping across Europe. India, with its vast resources and potential, was ripe for change. Entrepreneurs emerged, eager to capitalize on this opportunity. They needed capital, money to fuel their ambitions. The concept of a stock market, already established in the West, began to take root in India. Investors saw a chance to be part of this growth story. The journey of the Indian stock market is a fascinating blend of tradition and technology. In the 1850s, trading began informally. Brokers met under a banyan tree in Mumbai. This was the precursor to the Bombay Stock Exchange. In 1875, the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, was formally established. This marked a pivotal moment in Indian financial history. The 20th century witnessed significant growth. The National Stock Exchange, NSE, was founded in 1992. Technology transformed the market. Gone were the days of open outcry trading. Electronic trading platforms emerged, making transactions faster and more efficient. Today, the Indian stock market is one of the largest and most sophisticated in the world. And why Bombay? Now Mumbai, this bustling port city, was the epicenter of trade. It attracted businesses and entrepreneurs from across India. The city had a cosmopolitan culture and a strong financial infrastructure. These factors made it the ideal location for the first stock exchange. The Bombay Stock Exchange became synonymous with Indian capitalism. It's a place where fortunes are made and lost. The streets around the BSE, known as Dalal Street, became a symbol of India's financial aspirations. Even today, the BSE remains a cornerstone of the Indian stock market. The need for a stock market was driven by several factors. Firstly, India's burgeoning industries needed capital to grow. The stock market provided a platform for companies to raise funds by issuing shares. Secondly, the British administration saw the benefits of a regulated market. It brought stability and transparency to financial transactions. Thirdly, there was a growing class of Indian investors. They were eager to participate in the economic progress of their nation. The stock market offered them an avenue to invest their savings and potentially reap rewards. The establishment of the stock market was a turning point in India's economic history. It paved the way for the development of a modern financial system. At Dalal Street, the Wall Street of India, is a place of high stakes and even higher emotions. The clanging of the bell, the flashing screens, the hurried whispers of brokers. It's a symphony of capitalism. Stories of overnight millionaires and heartbreaking losses are part of Dalal Street's folklore. One famous tale is of Harshad Mehta, the big bull who manipulated the market in the 1990s, amassing a fortune before his downfall. But Dalal Street is not just about speculation. It's about companies raising capital to build factories, create jobs, and fuel India's growth. It's about ordinary Indians investing in their future, hoping for a piece of the pie. As the market grew, so did the need for regulation. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, was established in 1992. SEBI's role is crucial. It protects investors, ensures fair practices, and maintains the integrity of the market. SEBI's regulations cover everything from insider trading to corporate governance. The regulator has played a key role in increasing transparency and investor confidence. This has led to greater participation in the market from both domestic and foreign investors. SEBI's vigilance is vital to the continued success of the Indian stock market. Today, the Indian stock market is a force to be reckoned with. It's one of the largest emerging markets in the world. The BSE and NSE are home to thousands of listed companies. The market capitalization of the Indian stock market is now over trillions of dollars, reflecting the growth of the Indian economy. Indian companies are now global players. They attract investors from all over the world. The Indian stock market has weathered many storms: global financial crises, political uncertainty, and even pandemics. Its resilience is a testament to the strength of the Indian economy and the faith of its investors. The Indian stock market's journey from a banyan tree to a digital platform is a testament to India's economic evolution. It has played a pivotal role in mobilizing savings and channeling them into productive investments. The market has created wealth, generated jobs, and fueled India's growth story. The stock market has democratized access to capital, allowing even small investors to participate in the growth of corporate India. As India aspires to become a global economic powerhouse, the stock market will continue to play a vital role in shaping its destiny. It's a story that's still being written, and every trading day adds a new chapter. The future holds immense potential, and together we can build a prosperous India.